Alright, so my air reel, my Harbor Freight air reel started leaking out of the hose here, so I need to see if I can, I have this Husky one, I want to see if I can rip this thing apart and then replace the hose reel. So that'll be the project for today. So I'm going to take like ends off, I think. Take this thing off, the little stop off, and then unreel the hose all the way because I have to unhook it and undo all this stuff. I don't know if you can see it from here, but unhooked this little spring protector thing over that. So it may not be bad, but this is already, the tip of it has already messed up and I've repaired it once. Well, that may not have been a good idea, as it just spins and spins. Okay, so I need to try to undo that, undo this little thing. Tell you what, I got this Craftsman tool set thing from a friend, and it's been like the best thing that I've ever bought or got. 8mm. I need a stubby screwdriver. I'm not going to put new hardware or nothing on. I'm just going to put all this stuff back. Yeah, this hose is all cracked, but that's not where it was leaking from. It was leaking from around here. So I don't know if I'll keep that and fix it just for a spare or what. So I'm replacing it with a 50-foot hose because that's what it came with it. So but maybe this will prevent me from doing it. I just had this laying around, so. Oh no, nope. That one's not going to work. That hose is not going to work. It doesn't fit. Alright, well, I found an adapter that hopefully it's not going to screw me over in the long run. Be a whole lot easier if I used the wrench instead of a crescent wrench. Alright. I need to see if I can get a wrench that fits that. I'm going to struggle with this, I think. I just don't want to spend another $80 on a freaking hose reel. Look at that. Put this on now. That doesn't fucking move. don't know if this is the right way to do it, but I put just a chuck end in that, and then the quick disconnect or connect on this end. So yeah, we'll see. At least it may be easier to change next time. But what happened was this part didn't swivel like the other hose did. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Probably could test it. Yeah, what fun is that? Well, it didn't work out exactly as I wanted it to, but I think if it doesn't leak, I'll be happy. Is that? I gotta reel it in, but I gotta be careful. Waiting for this thing to fucking fly off the table. That's what I'm waiting on. Okay. Put the hose reel stop back on somewhere. Okay. Quite amazing if this works. I don't have to go buy a new hose reel. All right. Kind of bring you down here to show you what I've done. So instead of hooking right into that, I used an air chuck. And then I used this quick connect. Before it used to be right into this piece. So, all right. I'm going to hang it up on the wall, and then we'll see if it leaks. Well, it didn't solve my problem because this thing leaks. Hear it. So, I don't know if I need to get an air chuck or what, but if I pull it back, oops, if I pull it back some, it stops. So, oops, so I don't know. I'll have to figure out a way to do that better, I guess, but... So, anyway, I'll think about it. See what I can do. Because it is leaking around. It's this. So, anyway, maybe get some good fittings instead of Harbor Freight fittings. Anyway. If I figure it out, I'll let you know.